Alright, so Claude just released 2 new models that I think you guys need to be excited about. What's all the hype about, right? Why should we be so hyped about these new models? For folks who don't know me, my name is Anthony Virgo. Welcome back to Let's Automate This, where I show you, I educate you, and I build AI for everyday people. Now let's get into the video. So Claude just announced these 2 new models, and we're gonna dive deep. We're gonna see why everyone is so hyped about it and what does it mean, right? Claude Fable 5. Its capabilities exceed any models we've ever made generally available. So this is big, right? They're making this generally available to the public currently for a limited time. I think until about June 22nd, and then it's gonna get changed up a little bit, but now we have access. It is state of the art and nearly all test benchmarks of AI capabilities, right? So it's passing the test. It's showing exceptional performance in software engineering, knowledge work, vision, scientific research, and many other areas. So this thing is powerful and it's only getting better, right? The longer and the more complex the task, the larger that this model will be able to actually go into it and figure it out. Releasing this model with this capability comes with some risks. Without some safeguards, the capabilities in these areas like cybersecurity could be misused to cause serious damage. Way more beneficial than Opus 4.0, which they just released not too long ago. So that's the thing, you really got to stay up to date to these models because they come out so fast that the next one could be obsolete, or you use the next one for something else and vice versa. This is evaluating pretty much the models, right? The table below shows like the benefits. So let's zoom in a little bit. Agentic coding, it is up, right? Agentic coding is now 80.3%, right? Hitting the benchmark. Ranking really high on the knowledge work for the vision, so the screenshots, right? No tools, vibe coding, we love using screenshots. So it's gonna be able to take that information and reinvent it a lot better, right? Reasoning, tool use, computer use, starting to perform a lot more. They're getting better with computer use. I wonder why that is, because now we're gonna get away from typing. We're gonna get into just really talking to AI. That's what you guys need to understand and why this is important to be up to date with these models. It's hitting the legal benchmarks, right? So that's important because it's showing that AI is now being widely adopted in so many different areas. Biology, cybersecurity, and health, 66%. Wow. So there's a lot of information here, right? Very high level, frontier, right? So this is going to the accuracy and the cost, right? The cost per task, and then also the utilization of your tokens on a task, right? They ended up testing this by having the model beat Pokemon Fire Red version, right? Only by using screenshots, only by using visual and analyzing what's going on the screen. Look where we're at in the future now. In the future, it's beating the game. This is record time right here. This is record time, right? And this is all AI doing this. And look at the test. It's gonna beat the entire game. It's gonna beat the entire game. Wow. This is amazing, right? Let's see, it's going through the Pokemon levels, the Pokemon Master. And this is crazy. This is all AI, right? This is all AI. Oh my God. These models are powerful, right? So much so that it's gonna be able to do so much things at a faster rate, and we're gonna be able to test it. So if you're not on any Anthropic APIs, any Anthropic models or platforms right now, I suggest if you want to try this out, go ahead, download Claude and get into it, whether it's Cowork or Claude Code specifically. Go ahead and jump into it, get savvy, and see what the model is like, because it's only here for a limited time currently. If you need support with learning AI, if you want an agent built, if you don't know where to start, I'm your guy. Let's automate this. We'll build an AI for everyday people. If you want to join my Slack channel and have direct access to me to ask questions about AI, join my Slack community. The link is going to be in the bio. If you need to connect with me directly, send me an email or on LinkedIn, and that's the best way where you could contact me. Y'all take care.